much do cybersecurity jobs actually pay? In this video, I'm going to give you a realistic range and explain what actually drives those numbers. Here's something most people don't realize. Entry-level cybersecurity roles can start anywhere from 70,000 US dollars and go up to even 100,000 US dollars, depending on the role, of course, depending on the company as well, and depending on your location. And no, these are not just highly technical roles. My name is Kimberly Simon, and I help non-technical professionals find and start cybersecurity careers without needing to code. You've probably seen six-figure salaries, high demand, massive talent shortage. And while all of that is true, it can also feel confusing because no one explains why these roles pay what they do. They just simplify it. Think about cybersecurity like business insurance. Companies don't invest because it's a nice to have. They invest in cybersecurity because the cost of getting it wrong is way too high. Data breaches, operational downtime, legal exposure, loss of trust, all of those things cost a company way too much. When a company hires someone in cybersecurity, they're not just paying for tasks. They're paying for so much more than that. They're paying to reduce their risk. And that value exists across different types of roles, not just technical ones. For example, the roles that focus on following and improving processes, those are very important. They focus on identifying risk early. They focus on handling sensitive information. They focus on supporting compliance and operations. These all contribute to actually protecting the business. And that's why they're willing to pay for that. They're paid very well to do that. Here's the shift I want you to understand. Salary in cybersecurity isn't just about skill level. It's about the impact of that role. So instead of asking, how technical do I need to get to earn more? How technical do I need to get that six-figure income? The better question actually is, how much risk does this role help produce? We run a cybersecurity accelerator cohort only twice a year, and the roles that we focus on typically for the entry level positions for that cohort are between 70 to 100,000 US dollars, and that's entry level. And obviously there's growth beyond that as you gain experience. And this is exactly why we built that insider accelerator cohorts. We only do twice a year, April and September. It's designed to help you translate your current experience into cybersecurity. It's designed to position yourself for real roles, not just learning. If you've been wondering whether cybersecurity is worth it for you, or if you can actually earn well without coding, the opportunity is there. It's totally there. We just need to understand where you fit. If you're still figuring it out and trying to figure out which roles align with your skills, there's a simple way to get clarity. I'm going to share the link for Role Finder below, and I'll also share a link for more details to the Cybersecurity Accelerator if you are interested. If you're not already following me, follow me for more real insights on cybersecurity careers, what they pay, how they work, how to get into cybersecurity without technical backgrounds. That's what I do. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video.